Hello guys, it's Eric again in the DR on a fact-finding mission. Um, Beautiful weather here, beautiful culture, beautiful food. Can't can't go wrong with that.
Oh, that's cool, man.
Yeah. Yes, people here very friendly. Um, like I said, everybody's here basically kind of friendly. Can't find that in the United States a lot of times because some people are just not friendly. They're really not. Uh, so I'm gonna go ahead and go up these steps, see where it takes me. Because I want to go get some filming upstairs. Okay, so I'm not gonna go upstairs because that's too far to climb. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4 flights of steps. I think not. I'm on vacation, not at the fitness center. So we'll go outside and film. Because that's the steps right here and I'm not going that high. I don't think so. Anyway, we're making progress here. This is a vacation slash relocation transition. Fact-finding trip that we can get some really good information. We can find out what's good, what's not good. Find out a good place to live. We're transitioning, getting to know the language better, the culture better. Not everyone here speaks English. And there's some people here that's bilingual. We got people here that call expats. And they really transition from other countries other than just the United States. They're here from France, Canada. We find a lot of Canadians here. And can you blame them? Because that weather in Canada really stinks real bad. So the DR, the weather's beautiful all year round. I mean, it rains here, of course, because you're in the Caribbean, you're in the tropics. So, but that's not a bad thing. It's always also good to have an SUV if you go in the mountains or just going in low-lying streets because it floods a lot. Even though the Dominican people have taken time out to really make some good drainage spots because they know the rain is coming. They do have monsoon here. It does rain quite a bit. But other than that, there's some places that are really safe, peaceful and quiet. And you really would love it. Now behind me is the pool. Let me take you up just a little bit higher so you can get a better view. And again, people here are really friendly. And if you're looking for trouble, you'll find trouble. I don't care where you go. But if you're not, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. So. So yeah, it's nice, peaceful. This is just a Monday afternoon. People are out enjoying themselves, hanging out, just having fun, enjoying life. Because life is short. You never know what's going to happen the next day. So you want to go and enjoy life, eat some good food, to meet some cool people, and have fun. And this is the pool we're staying at again, and the kids are out playing, and it's all fenced in. Nice pool, nice environment. Nice neighborhood. And plenty of apartments for sale. And again, the average one is maybe about $600-700 a month. I'm saying more type like $700 a month. In about 6 years, you can have it paid off. It's like $32,000. $32,000. And that's American dollars. So, you know, it's what you don't know sometimes will hurt you. And what you do know can really be a blessing to you. Sometimes you have to do research on your own and figure out what's good for you. Today and tomorrow we'll go look at some more properties before we get out of here on Wednesday. We're talking to a lady that knows health insurance, life insurance, that's gonna come and talk to us. And she's got a translator with her because, like I said, a lot of them speak very, very little English. But you're in a Spanish-speaking country, so you got to deal with it the best way you can. So happy for my friends I have, my family, that I've met when I was in Punta Cana, the first trip that we were here. Really cool people, nice people. One thing I noticed about the Dominican people, one relationship can bring you into one relationship, another relationship can bring you into another relationship. And before you know it, you got a whole family. And they'll embrace you. As long as you keep it real, keep it straight. But if you don't, that can be a problem because nobody wants to be around shady people. That's really kind of shady. There's a sign behind me that gives you information about this apartment complex. And by the way, we are staying in an Airbnb, but in the Airbnb complex we're staying in, there's a lot of availability, a lot of vacant apartments. To be rented out, to be leased. But just think, average place in America, you're gonna pay close to $1,400-1,500 just for rent every month. And that's not counting everything else you gotta pay for. Here, an Uber is no more than $5. All depends on where you're going. In the area that we stay in now, the low volume areas, only like a couple bucks. We've taken Uber cheap as just $1 to go a couple miles. That's unheard of. But you gotta remember, their money and our money is two different things. This is a big difference in the currency. We had an awesome breakfast this morning. Here, to me, you don't need 3 meals because if you eat one meal of their food, the platanos and oh man, you're not gonna want anything else because your stomach is full. Plus, it's the heat. The temperature won't have you eating like a pig out here. It's like those that are trying to lose weight, that's a perfect place for it. Perfect. You'll see a lot of people that's on their motorcycles, because that's the cheapest mode of transportation here. I see some people walking around with pickup trucks, and gas is very expensive. It's about $5 a gallon. That's the normal. So a lot of people can't pay that. If you have like a Ford F-150, it's gonna cost you maybe about a couple $100 to fill it up, and you still get the same gas mileage you get as you in the United States. So yes, we're gonna bring our car over, have a small transmission. So I'm happy about that. But still, no. The gas prices in Vegas is almost 30. I can fill my car for $30. But then I was driving back and forth to Henderson going to work. So that won't be the case here because when I'm in the city, I know I can see my gas tank's lasting me almost 3 weeks, pretty much, just because I'm not gonna be doing that much traveling no more. I can get the metro, which is the bus, and I can go from one city to another city, $7 to $8 with no problem. We're attending a wedding in November, and if we're in Santiago, we're just gonna get the bus. And one bus will take us to one city, we'll transfer her over and get another bus, and then Uber. Then I ain't gotta deal with the traffic, I ain't gotta pay for gas. Just get off the bus, go relax, take it easy. And these buses here are extremely comfortable. They get a lot of their buses from European countries. Nice and comfortable, restrooms. Some of them have TVs. I remember the first time I took a metro from San Domingo to Puerto Plata, Sosua. I took 3 naps. It was that much. It was so comfortable, so relaxed. Retirement is a beautiful thing, and all of you that haven't retired yet, you'll get to that day if you just take it easy, relax, chill out, and take one day at a time. You'll get there. But for the most part, it's not to be stressed out. And I'm trying to be stress-free the rest of my life so I can enjoy my life, because getting up, going to a job every day, it can be really, really stressful. And I've done that for over 40 years, and now it's my time to sit back and relax and enjoy life and not be stressed. So anyway, I'm going to try to keep this video short. I just want you guys to kind of see what I'm seeing, how peaceful and quiet this is, and this doesn't really get too noisy at night. But I'm telling you, the quality of life here is unheard of. And the way Vegas is getting now, with the ratings coming, show me a place you can rent a nice place like this, where everything included, nice and comfortable, relaxed, for $700 a month. You can even, you can, like I said, $32,000 is all yours. Even if you don't stay here, you can invest and just rent it out or Airbnb it out. Something to think about. Because the culture in the United States is not really made to benefit you, it's made to benefit them. And that's another reason why I'm transitioning to another country. So if you like what you heard, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, family, and put in some remarks in the column. This video won't be uploaded until a few days from now, but it is what it is. I'm in a different country right now, and I'm not in my own place, so the Wi-Fi is not that great. But it will be when I get my own place, because I know what I'm shipping and bringing over. One more thing. You bring over any type of TV, or if you're going to transition, it's better pack much as your stuff you can over. Because when you get over here and you start buying, remember, everything has got to be imported. But if you bring most of your stuff over, pots and pans and toasters and stuff like that, and the coffee makers, brand new in the box or whatever you want to do, it's a lot better and save you on your pocket big time, TVs and all. If not, you get here and the price is almost double. Take it from me. I went to a store there, I looked at the prices, and it ain't no joke. Okay, so remarks columns, whatever you want to ask, I got some answers for you, got some questions. And I'll come back to you probably tomorrow with some more information on transition to the DR. In the meantime, peace, have a good day, stay safe, be blessed.